Greetings to everyone, and welcome to Omicron IoT Solutions. Today, we will explain how to access the ContraLog Mini board support package from Platform.io, and how it is set up so you can use it in your projects. For the full code configuration of the ContraLog Mini, you will have access to the libraries developed by Omicron IoT Solutions, which you can modify and adapt to implement your own solutions, and which you will find in our board support package hosted in the library registry of the Platform.io tool. For this purpose, you must have the Platform.io tool installed on your computer. To be able to use our library, first you must create a new project where you must set the board Espressif ESP32 dev module. By default, the Arduino framework is chosen. From Platform.io, you must go to the space to search for the available Platform.io libraries and enter the name of the library ContraLog Mini and, finally, add it to the project you have already created. Once you have linked the ContraLog Mini library in your project, go through the available documentation until you find the readme.md file, from where you must copy the libraries mentioned there and paste them in the Platform.io initialization file of your project. Save the modifications made. With this, you will already have available all the header and source files used by our library, as well as examples that you can test with your ContraLog Mini. Just include the libraries and create the classes you need in your project. From the examples themselves, you can migrate the code you need to the main file of your project, prepare the hardware and run the code you have created. In future videos, we will explain in more detail basic examples for reading analog and digital sensors, implementing control algorithms, implementation of the different types of communication available from the ContraLog Mini, and how the GPIO ports of the ContraLog Mini can be used. And that's it. You've successfully gotten to learn about the ContraLog Mini's board support package. Make sure to follow our channels to learn more about the ContraLog Mini. Follow our other videos and find out more about Omicron IoT Solutions, our devices, and how to impact your business and industry through the IoT.